Praise the Lord, praise the Lord. This is a day that the Lord has made, and we shall rejoice and be glad in it. My name is Esther Mwangi, the founder of the Rumbling Water Sound International, and our vision is to go to the street corners and invite everyone to the banquet feast, including you that is watching this video. And very soon we will be having our concert, Rumbling Water Sound concert on the 20th of December from 9 o'clock at Tumba Scene, a place that you don't want to miss. We will be having wonderful singing. The lineup will be amazing artists from around the world. One of them will be Ladin from Sweden, Malaika Kimani from Norway, and your favorite singer, Esther Mwangi, all the way from Stockholm, Sweden. But not to forget, one of the best of the best. She has won so many awards, actually 8 awards, and her name is Gloria Moliro, and you don't want to miss. She has sung some of the songs like Where You Go, I'll Go, and many others. And I promise you, when you come, there'll be something that will be for everyone. There'll be a little reggae, there will be a little rap, there will be all kind of rhythms bringing all of us together. You like slow music, you will get it. You like to dance and just put your body loose, you're gonna get it. Whatever taste you want, you're gonna get it that day. But not only that, but also the testimonies that will come out from all these people will make your life a better life, because you will be encouraged by the songs that will be will be presented during this day. This amazing concert, gospel concert, will be held on 20th of December, and I promise you, you want to be there. Find our contacts down on the screen, and please tell a friend to tell a friend, and see you there.
You make me know that I can touch the whole world. I can touch the world.
I tell you, you don't want to miss, you don't want to miss, huh?